Route 1 Haneda line of the Metropolitan Expressway is being renewed. Over half a century has passed since this highway was opened. It has carried a vast amount of traffic for many years, and now it is time for renewal. This movie shows the renewal works of the Higashi-Shinagawa Pier section and Samezu Reclamation area of Route 1 Haneda line of the Metropolitan Expressway, a project that has attracted attention worldwide. Over 50 years have passed since the opening of the Metropolitan Expressway, and its major features are many viaducts and tunnels which require detailed maintenance work. It has a daily traffic volume of approximately 1 million vehicles. It carries about 5 times more large vehicles than ordinary roads. In view of this fact, the Metropolitan Expressway has scheduled a wide range of renewal works in order to ensure long service life for the structures. Route 1 Haneda line of the Metropolitan Expressway was constructed to improve access to Haneda Airport and the Tokyo Olympics of 1964. Route 1 Haneda line was constructed above the Keihin Canal, and it is easily affected by seawater and requires extensive maintenance. While conducting inspections and repairs regularly, tough operating conditions and the extremely corrosive environment have caused serious damage in numerous areas, such as crumbling concrete and the corrosion of steelworks. Consequently, it is necessary to remedy the situation and renew the structure to ensure long-term durability and make maintenance work much easier. The renewal work will extend for about 1.9 kilometers from the vicinity of the Samezu Driver's License Testing Center to near the Tennozu Isle Railway Station. The 1.9-kilometer renewal section can be roughly divided into the 1.3-kilometer Higashi-Shinagawa Pier section and the 0.6-kilometer Samezu Reclamation area. A continuous steel plate girder structure has been adopted for the Higashi-Shinagawa Pier section structure after renewal. The height above the water level has been increased, reducing effects of seawater. It is intended to construct a permanent scaffolding to facilitate structural maintenance. At the Samezu Reclamation area, a precast bulk structure has been adopted. It is provided with ample inspection space inside, and so the structure will make maintenance easier to carry out. After renewal of Route 1 Haneda line, to ensure a higher position over the seawater level, it will pass above the Oi Aqueduct Bridge and the ordinary road. It is planned to connect up with the Oi Junction at a higher level. Route 1 Haneda line has a traffic volume of 70,000 vehicles per day. Works must proceed while allowing this traffic flow to continue. To enable this traffic flow, the work started with the creation of a detour route between the former inbound and the revetment section. After this construction, traffic flow on the current inbound lane will be switched to this detour route. During the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, the detour road will be used as the inbound lane, and the renewed inbound lane will be the temporary outbound lane. It is not intended to use the former highway structures for inbound and outbound traffic. When renewal works are completed, the switch over to the renewed inbound and outbound lanes will be implemented. Then the detour section will be removed and all construction works will be completed. In May 2016, a ceremony was held for safety and construction works commenced. First, a road for construction works was built and preparation started for the construction of the detour road. The plan was that the detour road would be built and traffic on the Haneda line and Oi Junction line would be diverted to this detour road during the renewal work. The Oi Junction section running from the Bayshore line to the Haneda line would be an obstacle to construction of the detour road. And so, from June 2016, road closure commenced. Work to temporarily remove the Oi Junction section has been completed. After renewal, the Haneda line will pass above the Oi Aqueduct Bridge. This section of the Oi Aqueduct Bridge will be converted from an arch bridge to a truss bridge over the old Haneda line. The reason why this conversion is necessary is to reduce the height of the renewed Haneda line as far as possible in order to minimize the highway slope. As a result of conversion to the truss bridge, the height will be reduced from 10 meters to about 4 meters, and so the slope of the Haneda line passing above this section of the Oi Aqueduct Bridge will be decreased. Construction of the detour road progressed smoothly. It was completed in September 2017 and used as the inbound lane on a temporary basis. The construction work moved on to the next step, which was renewal of the inbound lane. The work of removing the existing inbound lane commenced and a new Route 1 Haneda line was constructed. During construction work of the inbound lane, the Oi Junction was temporarily removed as it would have impeded work and preparations went forward to connect up with a new road. At the Higashi-Shinagawa Pier section, work commenced on constructing bridge girders. And work also commenced on installing the precast boxes at the Samezu Reclamation area. After completion of the renewed inbound lane, it is intended to use it as the outbound lane on a temporary basis. Renewal work between the Higashi-Shinagawa Pier section and Samezu Reclamation area of Route 1 Haneda line of the Metropolitan Expressway. We are committed to continuing to implement safe and secure construction work.